my name is JB Hilliard, and this is our weekly Wednesday Wisdom video segment. And this week I want to talk briefly about those self-help legal sites and really bring your attention to the fine print that is found in the terms of use for each of those sites. So first, let's just talk about who you're dealing with and what you need to know about that. So Company 1 states it like this: we are not a law firm and our employees are not acting as your attorney. Company 2 says about the same thing: we are not a law firm and may not perform services performed by an attorney. Next, you need to know what you're getting, or more importantly, what you're not getting. Company 1 says it like this: the information contained in the site is general legal information and should not be construed as legal advice to be applied to any specific factual situation. So all of these sites are not providing legal advice. Company 2 says our services and our forms or templates are not a substitute for the advice or services of an attorney. And Company 3 reiterates the information provided by us is provided for your private use and does not constitute legal advice. Let's talk now about your risk. You're utilizing these sites for forms and templates, but as Company 1 states, if you are unsure whether your particular situation requires that a document be changed, you should, guess what? Consult a lawyer. Company 2 says because the law changes rapidly, we cannot guarantee that all information on the site is completely current. Really now? And here's my favorite: we do not review any information you provide us for legal accuracy or sufficiency, draw legal conclusions, provide opinions about your selection of forms, or apply the law to the facts of your situation. We just provide you a template. You fill it out, you deal with the rest. You also need to know the extent of the relationship. Are they really providing you attorneys behind the scenes? Company 1 says it like this: if you receive any communication from us, our employees, or any other associated entity, which is legal advice, you agree that it is not a communication authorized by us. Wow. If you need legal advice for your specific problem, you should consult a licensed attorney in your area. This is by Company 2. And Company 3 says we shall have no responsibility or liability of any kind for any professional services rendered by any attorney you encounter on or through our website. Wow. And if that wasn't enough, they all say that you still need to consult with a licensed professional. Company 1 says it like this: you agree to accept full responsibility for determining the value of and for any use you make of our material and for obtaining any needed assistance from a properly licensed attorney. Company 2 says we make no warranty that the site, applications, or the materials will meet your requirements. And 3 says you should consult an appropriate professional for specific advice tailored to your situation. And of course, we have the catch-all disclaimers. Company 1 says use of our material and services is at your own risk. How about number 2? We make no warranty that the results that may be obtained from the use of the site, applications, or any materials offered through the site or applications will be accurate or reliable. In short, Company 3 says it all: your use of our services is at your own risk. I just have to say it again. Wow. You got to know what's in that fine print. So what's the moral of the story? Well, if you're looking for estate planning help and you're basing your decision strictly on price, then no estate planning attorney can compete with these self-help or do-it-yourself sites. But remember the old adage, you get what you pay for. And actually, there's a better way to remember this. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. So keep in mind that low price does not necessarily equate to high quality. There's so much more I could say, but let's just end that right now because my time is pretty much up. So as always, I thank you for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.